up, guys? Today I have my Pantone color of the year video for you guys. I know this video is super long overdue, but we can either talk about that or we can talk about the polishes. I prefer to talk about the polishes, okay? The Pantone color of the year is Ultraviolet, and I am so super excited about that just because you guys already know, if you've been watching me for a while, that purple is my second favorite color, especially violet. I love, love, love violet. I try my best to pick different tones, styles, and finishes of the Pantone color. So hopefully I have a wider, like a broader spectrum of the Pantone colors. I think that's what you say. I don't know, but who knows? Well, the first polish I have for you is called Lost My Bikini. Out of all the polishes that I have, this is the one that is the closest to the photo I saw of the Pantone shade of the year when I was looking online. So I'm pretty sure this is probably gonna be in like everybody's video. This is just an ultraviolet cream polish, and it has no shimmer or anything in it like that. It's just a flat cream. It is a very nice formula. I haven't used it that much, to be honest with you. I probably only used it twice, if I'm being perfectly honest with you, but it is just a really nice cream finish. Basic of basic ultraviolets. I'll show you guys a swatch here. I hope that the lighting isn't really doing anything too much to it where it's like messing it up. Can't really go wrong with the cream, so there you go. I have no idea why I never talk about these polishes. This is Purple Palette from Finger Paints, and I really need to show more of these because I actually have like a whole row, if you guys can see back there, of Finger Paints polishes, but they're mostly glitter polishes or toppers, so I don't really own any of their creams or other finishes, but they make amazing glitter formula polishes and toppers. I just love them. They're one of the most unique types of glitter toppers and just glitter polishes, so I love them for that, and I feel bad that I don't mention them that often in my videos. I really should like mention them more because they're actually a good brand. So this is a purple palette. It has a jelly violet base with a ton of finely milled violet glitters in there. This is just so stinking beautiful on the nails. If you love purple, you are absolutely going to love this. Okay, car, really? I'm trying to film here and I'm on a freaking time clock, okay? The next polish that I have is from Sinful Colors. This is called Let's Talk. Now this is the polish that I picked for the metallic ultraviolet shade. Definitely get it done in one coat, but I usually just go ahead and do two. It is completely opaque in two coats. Beautiful, beautiful polish. Like, I really can't get over this one. I have another Sinful Colors polish because I just can't help myself, and this is actually a new one that I just picked up like a week ago, and this is from their limited edition Matte Masters collection, and this is called Zoned Out. First of all, I love the freaking name, Zoned Out. Like, how cool is that? But this polish is supposed to dry down to a matte finish, which it definitely does not. If you can see here on the swatch stick, it kind of dries down to a satiny finish instead of a matte. I was really disappointed. I just don't really care for the in-between. I just want either matte. If you say you're gonna be matte, or just glossy. I would actually recommend just putting a top coat over this and wearing it as a glossy polish because it just really doesn't look good matte. It is definitely a satin and not a matte finish, but it is super gorgeous. It has this beautiful like golden flash to it. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it has a gorgeous golden flash to it that definitely picks up and resonates in person on the nails. You can see it clear as a bell. Absolutely gorgeous. Two coats to be completely opaque. I just wouldn't recommend wearing it as a matte. It's not a matte finish, it's a satin finish, and it really just didn't do it for me. You will need a matte top coat if you want that mattified look, but I just really like this one. Okay, this next one I'm not gonna even talk about because you guys have seen this in so many of my videos last year that I just feel embarrassed to even bring it up, but I'm gonna do it anyway because this polish is amazing. It is Zoya's Finley. Like, I really have no words for this polish. It is absolutely amazing. It's a finely milled holographic glitter in a violet base. It is jammed packed with glitter. This is not textured at all. At all. It goes on super smooth. You just need a glossy top coat. Like, I don't even know on what planet they make polishes like these. Zoya planet probably, but I want to go because this is freaking amazing. I am so happy that I found this in Ulta's clearance bin. I found it for like $4. Like, who would put this baby on clearance? Like, who did that? Whoever you are, I love you because this has just been one of my favorite polishes of 2017, and just in general, I absolutely love it. And I will definitely be collecting more Zoya because of this. This polish kind of gives me like a reminiscence of outer space and just like the universe in general. It just reminds me of that. I don't know why. After I said I want to talk about it, I sit here and ramble about it another extra 5 minutes. So the next polish I have is called Teen Spirit. And this is from China Glaze. I know a lot of people will probably argue with me and say that this is not an ultraviolet, but you know what? For me it is, because it's like, it's not a black base, but it's so deep of an ultraviolet jelly base that it almost looks black, but it's not. It's not black. It is definitely a deep ultraviolet purpley shade. And then you get flashes of purple and blue glitter in there. You also get a little bit of a flash of a pink to orange to yellow on the outer rim. I don't know if that is picking up very well on camera, probably not, but in person you can definitely see that. It took about 2 coats to be completely opaque. You can do 3 if you want to, but 2 coats really did like make this completely opaque and even it out very well, very nicely. I really didn't have an issue with this polish. It's a nice jelly formula. This next polish is from the Revlon perfumery line, and it is called Moonlit Woods. Now this isn't exactly a ultraviolet, but this is more like a silver ultraviolet. If I could describe it, I would describe it as a metallic silver ultraviolet. This gives me werewolf vibes for whatever freaking reason, don't ask, but it does. It gives me kind of werewolf vibes, and I think it's just because it looks like the silver bullet. I believe silver bullets are the only things that can kill werewolves, if I'm not mistaken, and this kind of just reminds me of like a silver bullet that would kill a werewolf for whatever reason. I don't know, I'm weird. This takes about 2 coats to be completely opaque. It does have like a light perfumey scent to it, but you really can't smell it unless you're like rubbing your hands against your nose. Then you could probably smell it, but for the most part you can't, and it goes away after a couple hours. But just something super different and unique, and I really like it. So the next polish I have is another cream. This is relatively available, so you can find this polish like anywhere. I wore this polish when I came to LA. This is on a trip, and the day I moved out from Chicago to LA is the day I wore this polish. It is like down to here now because that is how often that I wore it. I haven't worn it in a while. You can't really tell. I don't think you can tell in the bottle, but it's like down to here. This is a really nice purple violet cream polish. You can find this polish pretty much anywhere. I believe they sell it everywhere Wet n Wild is sold, and Wet n Wild is pretty much sold everywhere. Not only is this really inexpensive, but it also has an amazing formula. These Wet n Wild polishes, as you guys know, have amazing formulas. They have great brushes. Really can't complain. Very decent formula, and just a really nice, vibrant purple violet cream polish. The next polish I have is from the My Little Pony collection by China Glaze, which was released last year. I will leave a link to that video right here. You guys can just click on it if you want to see my thoughts on it, because you definitely should before you purchase any polishes, or before you purchase that entire collection. You should probably look at that review and see what it was really like. But anyway, I talked about this a lot last year as well. This is called I Just Can't Canterlot or Canterlot. I have no idea. It's one or the other. I'm sure someone will correct me. It's a gorgeous violet jelly based, jammed packed with holographic silver glitters floating everywhere in here. It's just, It's stunning. I can't even tell you how stunning this is. It's absolutely stunning to look at in the bottle as well as on the nails. I just feel like a purple princess with this on. And I'm sure all you purple lovers out there will feel like a freaking purple princess. You have to purchase this polish. This does dry down to a textured finish, so it's definitely not like, you know, smooth or anything to the touch. I don't believe you could put an extra top coat and get this smooth to the touch. You would probably have to put a glitter food on top to kind of smooth it out, and even then I don't know how smooth it will get. I was actually quite stunned that China Glaze released a texture polish or something like this. I just really haven't seen anything quite like this from a mainstream brand in a really long time. It is blindingly beautiful. If you want to feel like a sparkly ultraviolet princess, this is the one for like your birthday or a party, or just even in the summertime. This polish is gonna be amazing in the summertime. It is just so pretty. Gorgeous. So that is it, you guys. That is the end of all of my Pantone colors of the year polishes. I don't know why I'm having such time talking today. I know you probably been wondering what's happened to me, but like I got super sick with the flu for about 2 weeks. It was terrible. It was absolutely terrible. I couldn't film, couldn't do anything. So yeah, I'm back, just in case you guys are wondering. And you are going to see a lot of different videos from me on this channel, not just nail videos, not just lip videos. I'm going to be coming out with a bunch of different videos. I have a brand new series I'm going to be coming out with on Wednesdays, so look out for that. If you don't want to miss out on any future videos, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and that little notification bell, and it will let you know when I upload my shenanigans. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Peace!